Hi everyone, I am Ms. Macedo and welcome to our lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about onomatopoeia. Are you ready? In this lesson, you will be able to define onomatopoeia. You will be able to identify examples of onomatopoeia, and you will also be able to create onomatopoeia. Are you ready? Let's look at the definition of onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is when a word describes a sound and actually mimics the sound of the object or action it refers to when it is spoken. For example, splash. The word splash mimics the noise that the water makes. And also the word bang, it mimics the sound. I am going to show you a few examples of onomatopoeia. And then I will also show you how to use onomatopoeia in a sentence. Lastly, you will do an activity where you will match the image with these onomatopoeic sounds. Okay? So let's look at these two examples of onomatopoeia. The first one, click. The word click, it is an example of onomatopoeia because it mimics the sound that you make when you click your mouse. The second example that we have here is roar. That's the noise. This word describes the noise that the lion makes. Roar. Now, let's look at some more examples of onomatopoeia. Buzz, buzz. So this word buzz mimics the noise that the bee makes. So it's buzz. It describes the noise. Also, we already looked at it, the word splash. It mimics the sound of the water. If you take some water and pour it into more water, you're going to hear that sound, splash. These are all examples. These sounds are all examples. These words are all examples of onomatopoeia. Boom, bam, bang, bag, zap, pop. They are all examples of onomatopoeia because they are describing certain sounds. Now we are going to look at some examples of onomatopoeia being used in a sentence. For example, I could hear their buzzing, so I knew there was a bee's nest around here somewhere. So the word buzzing here is describing the noise that the bees make. That's why this is onomatopoeia. Another example of onomatopoeia used in a sentence is this one. I could not sleep. All I could hear was the drip, drip, drip of the broken faucet. The word drip mimics the sound that you can hear when you leave your faucet open or your faucet's broken and you are trying to sleep and you can just hear the sound of the water going drip, 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 the water dripping. I'll give you a few more examples. The clanging pots and pans woke the baby. The word clanging here mimics the sound that the pots make. Also, the second example in this slide says, the wolves howled at the moon. The word howled is an onomatopoeia because it mimics the noise that the wolves make when they howl. Right? Also, dogs can howl. next to my house, my neighbor has a dog. And when my neighbor leaves his dogs by himself at home, I can hear the dog howling. The dogs go, howl. Okay, I'll show you a few more examples of onomatopoeia. I hear the water go, splash, splash. So it is onomatopoeia because it's mimicking the sound. I hear the thunder go, boom. Now let's look at this example. I hear the cow go moo. This is the sound. This word represents the sound that the cow makes. And the last one, I hear the drums go boom, boom, boom. That's the noise that the drums make. I also have one more list, another list of examples. I hear people go clap, clap, clap. So clap represents, it mimics the noise that you make when you clap. Also, the second one, I hear the baby go wah, wah, wah. So this wah here, this word is mimicking the sound of the baby crying. And the last one, I hear the cat go meow, meow, meow. So meow is an onomatopoeic word because it mimics the sound that a cat makes. Okay, now I have here a list of onomatopoeic words. So these are onomatopoeic words because they imitate the actual sounds of the animals, objects, and humans. 1, splash, boom. 2, 3, honk. 4, moo, the sound of the cow. And then the last one, 12, meow. They are all onomatopoeic words. And now it is your turn to do this activity. You are going to match the image with the onomatopoeic sounds, and I will start. The first one is the duck, and I am going to match the duck with the onomatopoeic sound. And which one it is? Does the duck says buzz, ring, tick-tock, quack, or bang? Quack, right? This is the sound that the duck makes. Quack, quack, quack. So I'm going to match the duck with its sound. And you are going to do the same thing with the rest of the images. And I also included the worksheet for this activity along with this lesson. Okay, so today we learned about onomatopoeia. Okay, do your activity and thanks for watching the video.